What's up, guys? Welcome back to another great video. What's up? I'm your host, Myron. I'm right here, came back with my N26 2013 BMW 328i. For those people that has not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button and that notification. Anyways, let me show you what is going on with my N26. So today I'm kind of excited because I don't know if you guys seen my other videos, but the sequential lights, man, look at that. That looks nice. See that? So today, what we are gonna do today, we're gonna go ahead and swipe the turn signals. You see the stock ones? It just has like one click. So I went on eBay. Oh man, the sun. Anyways, I went to eBay and I got some smoked sequential turning signal. So let me show you what I got, and you guys let me know what you guys.
So here it is. Here's the box. And the good thing about this smoke turning signal, it looks really nice. Check this out, guys. Man, that looks nice. Real cool. It's OEM, brand new. And the only two things that you guys gonna need: a trim piece and a T. I don't know what is this. A T something. Well, anyways, it comes with a kit, so you don't need to pick up your tools. What do you need? But before you do that, okay, let's do some comparison. Look at this. What do you guys think? Oh yeah, and it gets like a little bit aggressive look. What do you guys think? Well, anyways, before you guys do anything, you gotta make sure that your mirror is facing up, because this is really expensive. So let's go ahead and turn our mirrors up so you get the trim and pops out. So we're gonna roll down my window just to make it easier for us. So make sure it's all the way up. Okay, perfect. Same thing to the other one. All the way up. There you go. Now that both mirrors are up, we can start working on the trim. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take this trim, but I noticed that this little trim that they give you is really crap. So I got my own trim tool here. Anyways, so let's go ahead and, so what I like to do, put a pressure here on top, then go down here, and this should snap. So you gotta be careful when you do that. There you go. You see that? You gotta be careful. So now, gotta go inside. There you go. That's one side. Should be able to pop out now. There you go. So now that's just gonna go down here. Now you see those little tabs here that I was talking about, guys? Those are the tabs you gotta take out. That's 1, 2, 3. So let me put you guys down here, show you what I'm talking about. So it's gonna be pretty tough. I thought it's gonna be pretty easy, but I guess not. So I'll do some tabs here. All right, so I'm gonna get some screwdriver here. Okay, so guys, so I took out the tabs. So this is the tab what I'm talking about. We gotta be careful not to break them. See that? See, don't break them, these tabs right here. Gotta be really careful. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna put this in a safe place. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this out here. Should be able to pop out. So to give it this, remember the trim I was talking about, you guys? So I think this is a screw here, screw there, and the inside. See, one screw right there. There's one. There's another one down here. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Oop, sorry guys. You see the tabs? There's 1, 2, and 3 down there. 1, 2, 3. So I gotta take those out in order to get the blinkers out. So let me go ahead and do that, guys. All right. Ta-da-da. Gotta be careful with the side mirrors, you don't want to break them. It's time consuming, guys, so you just have a little bit of patience, that's all. Alright, so that one should be coming out. Let's see. There you go. A little bit more. Now, gotta find a way how to pump this out here. I think this should be able to pump, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, something happened. Oh, there's another screw down here. You learn as you go, right, guys? Another screw down here. Take that off. So save that screw. This pops out. So now that I got that piece out, so there's the clip. You gotta take that out. So you just squeeze and you pull. See right there? Don't want to mess it up. So, flat screwdriver here. This pops out. There you go. So I would put the other one here. So on the new, it doesn't tell you which side it is, so you just gotta guess which one it is. So let's see. Which one? Oh, we found a pair. See? There you go. So we're gonna put this one down in a safe place. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put it back on. Next, just make sure you, before you install everything, gotta make sure it works. So where's my keys? Oh, I don't know where my keys at. I had my keys with me earlier. Oh, here it is. So, it worked. Whoa, look at that. You saw that? Okay, so now we know it works. So we're gonna go ahead and put back everything now, just the way it was. everything is to plan. So, all right, guys. So the last screws, I just put one. Now we gotta screw the other one. Put the screw back on. Can be a little bit of a challenge. Now that that's done, we're gonna put the forge cap. Look at that, man! What a beauty! Like I mentioned before, guys, be careful with these little tabs right here. See the tabs? Be careful. You don't want to break them because once you break them, gotta buy a whole new set because it's not gonna clip. So let's go ahead and do that carefully. There you go. Cool. Alright, so looking good. Alright, so now put the cap, the mirror back on. So you just tap it. Perfect. Just like that. And what do you guys think, guys? So compared to this one, look at this one. Yeah, I like this one better. What do you guys think, guys? What do you guys think? So let me go ahead and do the other one, then we'll go ahead and take another shot here. So the good thing about this, guys, it matches my sequential lights. Check this out. Man, that looks nice.
Alright guys, so there it is. Man, it looks bad. Any small little details you do to your car, it looks like fucking badass. Like for you, for the owner, you know. But anyways, man, it looks, I like it. It's coming around pretty good. I like it so far. We do still have the bumper coming out, side skirt, bumper, the GT hood, but that's gonna come soon. You know, it all takes a moolah, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, guys, I hope you like my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, put a like, and yeah. All right, guys, if you had any questions, hit me up. Put a comment down below. I'll make sure to reply to you guys. Help each other out, respect one another, and see you guys till next time.